Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Turn off power to your smoke detector at the circuit breaker to avoid shocks. Remove the detector from its base, open the battery compartment, and replace the old battery with a new one, ensuring the terminals match. Press the test button to check it. Finally, securely mount the detector back and turn the power on. Regular battery replacements keep your home safe.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.